Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this video is about liquids or fluids, and I have to do it again because I forgot something important to explain. Okay, so second time. So this was a small test. Here, how to create a liquid inside a glass or a container. Okay, how to do it. So this tutorial is not about the creating the containers or the glasses, so it's about the liquid, but we need a glass. So we use the lace tool. Here I create a path here. So, and to see through the glass here, I choose the other material here, the additive material, and change a little bit the opacity. So when we look at the cylinder, it's not hollow. So we have to create something like this. So now we can put a liquid inside the glass. So let's validate this object. Here, now here we want the liquid inside. So we need the inner mesh here. So let's duplicate the mesh here or clone it. And at the bottom menu, use the solo view. So you have your clone now active, and now use the trim tool here. And in the trim tool, make sure that hole filling is, the checkbox is off. And then trim the top. Here is the level of your liquid. Here you can select the level and trim the top off. So you see here, now you have two meshes here, the inner mesh and the outer mesh. So you can separate the meshes here in the hierarchy. There are 3 dots here, and here you find an option to separate the meshes. So here let's make them visible. So this is the outer mesh and this is the inner mesh. We need the inner mesh, so we can select the rest and delete it. And now you see here, we got this mesh here separate for the liquid. So let's use the solo view again. And now the important part comes. Let's change it back to opaque. So we see now here, this mesh here is has a red color outside here. And here in this menu, in the display settings, you see here, this is the back side of the mesh. So we have to change the back side to the front side. And how to do this? Here in the material menu, you find here an option. It's called inverse culling. So press this option, and now the back face, it's twisted. So fine. Okay. So the next thing we have to do is to close here the top. And here in the MISC menu, in the topology, you find here an option here, close holes. Here you can change the resolution of the mesh, and when you press close holes, now you have a complete closed mesh. So you see here with the wireframe, it's correct. So, but here in the material, you see it's always on inverse culling here. It's better to remesh here the mesh. So press on voxel remesh. So look at this option here at the moment. When you press remesh, the inverse culling is gone. So now you have a normal mesh here for your liquid. So now we can change back the materials, or we can leave it. So this outer mesh we can change to additive, it's okay. And the color, that we get a glass effect. So now we have our glass, and the inner mesh we can make it as a refraction material, and we can make it a wine, so something like this. Now we have the liquid. Okay, yeah, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.